kitchen. So tonight we are making chicken pot pie. Wonderful little dish to make, especially when you have leftover chicken. Maybe you have a rotisserie chicken. I happen to have a leftover chicken that I needed to cook out. So, chicken pot pie. Ingredients are, we are sauteing onions in margarine. And I have my bag of mixed vegetables, which was in my freezer. And we're going to be adding into our onions some nice coconut milk. 1 cup. We want a nice creamy base for it. So we're going to be adding in 1 cup along with 2 tablespoons of flour, making a nice little roux for ourselves. And this is the base of our chicken pot pie. So we're cooking everything right on top of the stove, and we just need to add that nice roux that comes out with your onions. I'm gonna turn my flame down. Along with that, you need some chicken stock to give it that nice little body. So we're gonna use 1.5 cups of chicken stock mixed into our roux. And that is the basis for your chicken pot pie. We have to add our pinch of salt. Just a little bit, since the chicken stock did already have it. And our little bits of pepper. We like ours a little on the spicy, peppery side, so going to give that a nice stir. The roux that we have with the chicken stock till it gets nice and thick. This is one of those dishes where you might have to check on the thickness as it's cooking. So we are going to be adding in to our pan all of 1 rotisserie chicken, all diced up. That chicken has been added. We give it a nice stir. The consistency is a nice thickened chicken. Now we're going to add in our bag of mixed vegetables. I'm only going to be adding 1/2 bag. It is a 24-ounce bag because it's bigger than what we normally buy. Usually you're buying the 16-ounce bag. Looking beautiful. Give it a stir around. I have my baking dish all prepped. At this step, pour the entire mixture of your chicken and vegetables right into your baking pan. Lay on top of it your puff pastry sheet. I like to cut around a little bit and place it all on top. Take your egg wash and dab a nice amount right on top of here so it will come out golden brown. A beautiful dinner to make for tonight or to make ahead of time. So we are going to be serving this on Friday night, Shabbat. So our dinner is done. We bake it in the oven for 375 till it's golden brown. That is one delicious chicken pot pie, beautifully golden brown. Oh, it is one fantastic dinner. Hope you enjoy from Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen, chicken pot pie.